So I've always wanted to work in the dark, but not this dark. And now I can't even see what I'm recording and what I want to type in my computer behind. So I got this light bar. Maybe a little brighter will help. Maybe let's make it a little bit more brighter. That's a bit better. Better. So if you notice at the back here behind me on this monitor screen, this light bar here, the Xiaomi Mijia monitor light bar. I'll put the links in the description below. So as you can see from the packaging, it's very clean and neat in terms of the design. At the back of the box is some product description in Mandarin. Anyway, now let's check out what's in the box. So it's very straightforward. Here we have the lamp, the Bluetooth remote control, USB-C cable, and the base or the mount for the lamp or the light bar. So the Bluetooth remote control runs on battery and it comes with 2 AA battery, which is included in this order. In terms of measurement and size, the remote control is 66.5mm in diameter or width and 34mm in height. Then we have here the USB-C cable. I think it's 1 meter long. Then this is the manual in Mandarin also. Then this is the base or the mount for the lamp or the light bar. Then this is the light bar. In terms of the measurement and the size, it is 23mm tall or in height, and then it's 448mm long. So the light bar and the base connect to each other magnetically. Then you just need to power it up by plugging in the USB-C to USB-C power adapter. As for the Bluetooth remote control, after putting in the batteries underneath it, it will automatically connect to the light bar. So you don't see any screen reflection from the light. The light shines directly on the workstation and doesn't bounce off the monitor onto your eyes. The color temperature ranges from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin. Then the shaft of the base is adjustable, making the light bar suitable for thick curved screen and flat screen. Then the angle of the light can be adjusted at a 25-degree angle to shine more on the workstation directly below or more outwards. Then it is very easy to operate the remote control. Just rotate the knob to adjust the brightness. Press and rotate the knob to adjust the color temperature. So you see here how the brightness and temperature changes color. So this is from the light bar, from like warm white to yellow to cool white colors. Then this is on my desk and keyboard. Notice how the color temperature changes from very warm to very cool color and temperature. So I have here the Xiaomi Mijia monitor light bar. Of course, you can get a table lamp, but if let's say you get a table lamp and you put it somewhere here, or maybe in front here, the light will only shine at a certain location or area. So let's say if the light is here, the light will only focus on this area here. Or if the light is somewhere behind here, the light will only focus on this area. It won't focus on the middle area here where I do my work. So I needed a light source where the light from the top focuses directly down on my work here. Of course, I have the ceiling light, but the ceiling light is somewhere up here, up there. So the light only focuses on that area mainly. So if I were to do my work here, my shadow, my body will be blocking the light from the ceiling light. So I was researching for a multi-colored light bar. That means I can change the light, the temperature and the color of the light bar. And I found it in the Xiaomi Mijia monitor light bar. So if you're interested to get this Xiaomi Mijia monitor light bar, I'll put the links in the description below where you can also order it online. You can use my referral link at no charge or cost to you. So I hope you have found today's video helpful, and for more content like this, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel below.